In this clip, I'm going to show you how to convert a Photoshop element into a button symbol. Now you can remember in our header we have 3 text layers here. I'm going to choose one and we're going to convert this to a button symbol. So we're going to go modify, convert to symbol, and this time we're going to choose button. We can name it. Hit OK. Okay, now we go to our library and you can see we have a button up here. Double click that and there is our text portfolio. Now of course, to create a button you have your up, over, down and hit states. So I'm just gonna drag this over. We'll create a hitbox on it. I'm going to go to Control, Enable Simple Buttons. Now we can see when I go over it, the cursor changes to a hand and is now a button. And you can also assign an action to it. And that's how you convert a Photoshop element into a button symbol in Flash.